One thing that a lot of content creators probably don't realize is that you could be using Instagram hashtags that are working against you, meaning that they're not helping you reach new audiences and it actually could be harming your content. And that's banned hashtags. So, how do you know if one of the hashtags you're using is banned and how does it affect your account? Well, in today's video, I want to share with you how you can figure out whether your Instagram hashtags that you've been using are banned so that you can stop using them and start using things that will actually help your content. So, let's go. Hey, I'm Kayla from Ivory Mix, and I'm here to help you grow your audience and impact and income online with better content and even better strategies. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to get my latest uploads every week. So the first thing you want to do when you're looking at your hashtags and whether or not they are banned is you want to go to your account. So here I am on my account, and you want to go to one of your posts and you want to go to your list of hashtags. So I'm going to go look at the hashtags that I posted, and you're going to want to click on one of the hashtags. So if this hashtag was banned, I wouldn't be able to scroll through different posts on this hashtag. So this is not a banned hashtag. However, if you did land on a banned hashtag, it would look and act differently. So one of those hashtags that happens to be banned is hashtag Snapchat. So if you look up hashtag Snapchat and you click on it, you will see a notice at the top of this hashtag that says recent posts from this hashtag are hidden because some posts may not follow Instagram's community guidelines. So if on any of the hashtags that you've posted on your account, if any of them come up with that notice, then you'll know that it's a banned hashtag. So all you have to do is keep clicking on each one of your hashtags that you've used, and if you don't see that notice, then you know that your hashtags are not banned. However, there is a slightly easier way, and I want to show you how to do that. So a quicker way to do that is to use this website, iqhashtags.com. Now, when you register for an account, and it's free to register, you can come over here to your account and go to banned hashtags, and you can paste all of your hashtags in this ban checker. Then you can click check, and it's going to let you know if these hashtags are banned. So this group of hashtags that I've pasted in here, none of them were banned. However, if I put in that one banned hashtag, it's going to tell me that that one is banned. So those are the two easiest way to check whether your hashtags are banned and whether or not that is harming or helping your content. So now that you know more about Instagram Reels, I have 30 story and Instagram Reel ideas for you all laid out, and you can grab a link to it below this video. If you like this video, let me know by giving me a like and sharing it with your fellow content creators. And let me know what your favorite part was. If you do share it to Instagram stories, be sure to tag me so that I see it, because I may just feature you in my Instagram stories as well.